Yeah. Like I said, lots of fun, lots of action. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, what's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. All right. I'm at my cousin's Ryli graduation party. I said Facebook Live only. It's going to eventually be on YouTube. So let's go to the graduate girl. Just like the year before last, well, Raven's graduation party, because it was shut down because of COVID, you know, and I'm still wearing my mask. So here we go, y'all. Here's the family affair. I wouldn't say family affair because I really don't know what that means. Disregard that music in the background. I don't own that music in the background, y'all. Okay? There go Raven, the belated graduate. The belated graduate, Raven. We already had your party, remember? I hope you watched the show. Yeah, I don't even think she watched the show. But we'll see if she watched the show. Okay? Let's go see where the other bubblegum face at. Okay, excuse me. All right. I don't own that song in the background, y'all. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna go around. All right. It's confusion, y'all. Okay, so
I was like 16 with them making me deep in the field like spot water. Where did the shit see? Niggas cracked on me when they got real, try to slide on it.
All right. Let's go to the other graduates. All right. Hey, Ryli, you on the show again?
I ain't gonna crash. Because you're gonna miss your ball. All night flight. I'm a team.
Well, wait a minute. Oh my God, I can't believe you. I have what I think you have.
I'm used to this, baby. What you know about this?
She crazy, y'all. Crazy.
What about this? What's that Dominoes 7 show? Facebook Live. I'm in the whole graduate in 2022. What you know about that?
Chuck.
What y'all know about that?
She acting crazy, y'all.
Yeah, guess what? We out here. I'm Ryan, we out
Domino.
here, right?
Domino.
Yeah, Domino, we out here.
Yeah, she acting crazy
About
today.
to say we out here.
We out here?
Yeah.
And here's the proud father, y'all. We with the proud father, y'all.
You got it.
I know we got, and then the proud sister, the proud cousin. What?
It's Teddy.
Oh, all right. We don't. All right, that's enough. Oh, and look at this, y'all. Yeah, but we not gonna film that. Okay. All right, huh? Well, I guess. Oh, hey, hello, Jello Bean, Jelly Bean, Jello Bean, whatever you want me to call you. So how you feel? So how you feel about being out here at the party?
Feel good, sport my cousin.
Oh yeah, spoil your cousin. All right. Yeah, look at that. I look back. Yeah. Yeah, I sure wish they would put this on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. All right. The day she was born and stuff like that. Oh, look at my mom, y'all. I saw the glimpse of my mom. All right. All right. So what I'm proud of, y'all, that she made it all the way through. At least she don't have no Ryli gonna watch this eventually, you know. She gonna watch this very eventually. At least she don't have a criminal record. Yep. And don't tell Ryli what I say, ladies and gentlemen, or she gonna knock me out with my booty. You hear me? So you see, you know, I mean, I'm very happy about. Oh, should we go talk to Uncle Dave? Let's go talk to Uncle Dave. At least he's still here with us. Hello, Uncle Dave. How you doing? I know you're glad to be here, though. Yep. So yeah, you're on the show again, Jade.
I kicked him out.
Should we talk to Jade?
Are you serious? He told me, bitch, I got only his birthday, so don't.
All right, so as I was saying, y'all, I'm just. Oh, and look at this. Class of 2020. You know. with Raven Ray me. And here's Riley's band picture. I assume this is Ryli when she was a baby. The bubblegum face, the baby bubblegum face. All right, so I'm very proud to be here and stuff like that. So wait till y'all hear my speech. You know, I'll do my speech on the next segment. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. My speech on the next segment or the segment after next. Who knows? You know. I don't know when this is going to eventually be on YouTube. So this is just on Facebook right now, you know. Eventually YouTube, you understand? Maybe for my birthday party, we'll have a watch party. Who knows? Okay. All right. So that's all I got to say, y'all. See y'all on the next segment.